Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers. Today we're going to go over some server machines that we got built for these customers of ours. They're a engineering company that want to do AutoCAD for 3D rendering and stuff like that. So we went ahead and got this ordered for them. We've got it set up for them. It's a real nice machine here. If you look at it, this is the HP Workstation V8 G4T. When you open it up, you see it's got the protective shield on it. So we're going to go ahead and open this up a little bit further. And as you can see, it's got plenty of upgradable space in here. We can put up to 3 terabytes of RAM in here. Not just hard drive space, this is for RAM. 3 terabytes of RAM on here. So right now it's got 16, but you can obviously upgrade it as much as you want. It's also got a 512 HP Turbo solid state drive in there. So it gives it super fast boot up speed and everything. And as you can see right here, we got the M4000 Quadro card. It's an 8 gig video card and it runs 3D rendering for AutoCAD really well. This machine is all around a really good machine, especially if you're trying to run AutoCAD at your business and stuff like that. So you can give us a call at 281-647-9977 and we can order one of these for you and get it ready and running for you too. No issues on that. So
and just confirm that's got the 12 core DOTA core processor.
Oh yeah.
And you've got an option of
another one in there
adding a second processor as well.
So as you can see, there's one right here, and then you can add another one later on if you need it for your workspace and stuff. So it's the 12-core DOTA, very nice. So if you have any questions, you can definitely give us a call, 281-647-9977. Thank you.